Welcome to WiselyWise virtual course. Artificial Intelligence Explorer course for grades 7 to 8. AI is leading the fourth industrial revolution. We are already being impacted by AI in our daily lives. Acquiring AI skills is very critical for students as they pursue higher studies and getting ready for the AI future. Based on this, WiselyWise is introducing an AI Explorer course for grades 7 to 8. In this course, students will learn fundamentals of AI, machine learning concepts, block coding, game development using Scratch, mobile app development, and do hands-on projects virtually with the instructor. All students will get access to the AI Explorer course on WiseCentral, our AI education platform. From this course, students introduce concepts in artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. They will also get exposure to sequence, fundamental coding blocks, and loops to create AI applications using Scratch, and learn to develop a mobile app using App Central. After completing the course, student create their own digital portfolio deck, complete 2 projects, get course completion certificate, get badges, and by the end of this course, students will be capable of creating advanced Scratch programs in artificial intelligence in our AI Wizard course. Enroll now to get started in this AI world faster than other.